This woman thought it was a good idea to throw a cactus at these workers after she didn't get her way, and her antics only got worse from there.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do anything. I don't care.
On January 10th, 2023, officers were called to a CVS about a woman causing a disturbance. Little did the police know how quickly this situation would escalate.
I don't know anything what they're doing to me.
The police, you can talk to the police, all right?
I didn't ask to talk to the police.
What are you
Leave
doing?
me the alone.
We're just asking you to leave.
I've been diving at my ass beat.
What is that
How
have to do
dare
with
you talk to me?
I
Leave me the alone.
Okay. I understand you're upset.
Hold on.
Please don't hit me.
Stop
Don't hit me.
walking away then.
I'm walking
What is
off
going
with you.
on? We're gonna
Someone
stand
beat
here.
me up.
Okay,
Someone
so what
beat
does
me
that
up.
have to do with him?
We have to get rid of him. He cannot touch me like
What does
that
that have to do
anymore.
with this, the manager
He cannot touch me anymore. He cannot touch
What
me
does
anymore.
that have to do with anyone?
No, I had no one. I had no one. Please don't hit me anymore.
that?
Please don't hit me.
Who hit you?
Please don't hit me anymore. Please don't hit me anymore. They stole my keys to my house. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. We're all going outside. We're all staying outside together.
Moving.
Stop
So we're
kidding me.
outside. Stop. Relax.
It's not relax. You people get you in the face. You want to relax?
She walked in demanding me to call you guys. All I asked her was, what is the reason? Why am I calling? I can't just call the cops to call the cops. She got upset because I asked her. She told me, why are you laughing at me? I just got assaulted. Somebody me. I'm like, okay, ma'am, let me call. So I called my other agent that I had here because she started to scream at me. This guy, why are you laughing at me?
Ma'am, we want to listen to your story.
No,
If
you
keep
don't.
acting like
You don't
this,
care about
throwing
me.
things at people,
No,
you're gonna
you
leave
don't
us
care
with
about
no
me.
other option.
Please.
So
You don't
what is
care
going
about me.
on?
Please. You're trying to make me look crazy, and I'm not. I'm not.
going anywhere.
They hit me. They hit me in the face. That's not okay.
We don't know
That's
who you're
not
talking about.
okay.
Stop moving your
Okay, so why do you want me to be calm? I'm not going to jail. I didn't do anything. I walked in for help because my phone was stolen. I don't fucking know.
Where do you
I live on 112. My ex-boyfriend showed up with other people that were trying to show up to my house, but he doesn't have a house. That's my house. It's in my name. Like. It's just me on my own and nobody's listening to me. So I'm frustrated.
I was asking, why do you want me to call? I can't just call the police officers because you're telling me to call them. What happened? I need to know what's going on. You just walked in my store.
Yeah.
She went outside as I was calling you guys to come, someone to come. And then she just started throwing shit. She threw a plant at me on my back. She broke it.
Where on 112?
Right here,
What's the
please
address?
don't leave me alone. He's gonna kill me if you guys leave. Please don't leave me alone.
What's the address?
Please don't leave me alone.
What's the address on 112?
We want to prosecute for assault.
Yeah. I didn't do nothing to her for her to throw shit. She broke stuff and...
I'm just gonna get a couple pictures.
112, 1313, 112. I have an apartment. I live there alone. I got my on the way home. I don't need any help from you. I am upset. I have a right to be.
Proceeded to move this way because she was getting angry at me. I was like, maybe she doesn't see me. It goes away, Because I don't even know where she came from or anything like that.
And then she threw the plant at
Yeah,
you.
she grabbed the plant from her because she got upset that, again, I was on the phone calling us to come. And she was trying to calm her down. And she threw that plant at me and broke one of our signs.
Someone put their hands on me. Would I want that for you? Would I want that for him? Would I want that for him? No, it's not okay. It's not okay. Stop. No, nobody cares about me. I have no fault. Nobody knows where I am. Please leave me alone.
West 112.
Nobody cares. You don't care.
13.
You only
West
care because I
112.
was going to beat the shit out of this. I don't want any help.
Can I get a picture? Is this stuff still on your back a little bit?
Yeah, I had knocked most of it off. It was all in her hair and it was all
I'm just gonna
across her
get a picture
back.
of them as well.
I want to be let
What's your name?
Leave me the Don't touch me, lady.
What? I need your
They
information.
hurt
I
me!
need
Why
your
don't you
information.
care about that? Why don't you care about that? Why do you only care about this? Stop looking at I'm what you look at.
Listen, turn around.
I'm not doing anything to
Stop it. Turn around now. Turn around.
because I'm upset with her and I'm half naked.
No, you're not going to keep...
I'm not
things-
turning.
Stop it.
Here we go. Here we fucking go.
Exactly.
Bro,
Here we go.
Bro. Someone hurt me. Why did I make this
Stop it.
Do you think there's a guy popping out paying me to make up
I
lies?
have no idea what's going on.
Okay,
You
so
wanna
why are
explain
you
it?
saying that?
Stop moving.
Well, where am I?
Just gonna tighten up on you. Just stop moving.
You can at least pull my tits out of the bro.
We'll have her fix that.
You can at least pull me out.
Closer.
You can at least pull me up out of the bro. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Give me up. I'm literally asking for help and I've been handcuffed. I have a house.
How many
I have
times?
somewhere
How
to
many
go.
times did I ask you what's going on?
Nobody cares about me.
Probably at least
She's gonna talk me off. Nobody cares about me. You don't care about me. You don't care about me. Stop. I don't want to go to jail. Stop.
Well, that's what we're
I want to talk. Stop. Stop. Just stop. I'm going home. I have no one to talk to. I have no one to talk to. Just stop.
I tried talking to you.
Just talk to me. Just please
Well, we're done
stop.
talking.
I don't want to do it. Just
Get down in the
stop.
car. Go in
I'm
the
not
car.
a f***ing psycho
Get in the
felon.
car. Please get in
I'm
the
a
car.
regular girl. I don't
Please get in the car.
Are you
Please get
gonna
in
let
the
him
car.
do that to me?
Please get in the car.
You're dead serious gonna hurt
Yeah,
me?
get in the car. No one's hurting you.
You're literally hurting me right now. You're not
Stand
fattering me.
up like an adult.
I'm trying to
Get in
talk
the
to you,
car.
and you're hitting me.
No one hit you.
Stop! You don't even want to talk to me. She doesn't want to talk to me.
Amazing.
No one wants to talk to me.
Hey, look over there.
No,
you
nobody
hand me that
cares
yourself?
about me.
sure
All
I
I wanted
tried
was
to get
help.
off of your
All
shoulder.
I wanted was help, and all you guys want to do is hurt me.
You won't tell me what you need.
I need help. I need to go home. Stop pushing me. She's already getting it. So why do you have to be a...
Please.
No! It hurts. You're not me. You're
I don't even know who you are because you won't tell me.
That's...
But this was just the start of her crazy antics, as they only get worse from here.
I don't care. I don't care.
So, Emer, assault?
Let me have an idea.
Alright. Alright.
I have 2 on 3 play. That's that on the line.
Stop kicking the car.
No!
You break it, you're gonna get more charges.
Oh,
I don't get
guess
what the
else?
point of that is.
You already me, dude. I needed help, and this is what you did.
Nobody hit
You
you.
think it's funny?
It's all
This
in.
funny.
No, I don't think
Someone
it
beat
is.
the out of me, and you think this shit is funny?
If you would have gone on instead of attacking people in the store, not telling me who you are, it would be different.
Get me out!
Come on up.
Here, I have all the other shoe. Let me get my shoe out. You're not gonna give a f***. You're gonna give it back to me just like the thing of the beat. Let me go ahead. Make fun of me, because this shit's funny too. Give me my shit. This shit's not funny.
Shoe.
I'm the only one taking care of me. Nobody gives a f***. Definitely not you. After you hit me, give me my f***ing shoes back. It's not funny. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. That's not funny to me. And it's funny to you. I don't care. I don't die. Leave me the f***.
Get her
I
down.
will take it. Would you like to do for me? Tell them her name. Tell them her name. Let the poor repeat it. She's got to go to jail. She can't keep hitting people like this.
Hey, stop
It's not okay. You can't keep hitting me like this. No one can keep hitting me like this. It's not okay. I will kill myself before I let you take me.
Why are you trying to hurt yourself?
Because my dad killed my mom in front of me. Please let me go. Oh my God, Jesus Christ, let me go. I'm not a f***ing. Let me go. Someone hurt me. Someone beat my ass. I don't deserve this. This is not what I need. Everyone hurt me. That man beat my ass. And you allowed him to do it. You gave him the weapons to do it. Go ahead, break me off. Break my shit on. I don't care. Rubber gloves are fucking policy. I don't give a get the from me, dog. Can I move forward? Sure. Get Stop here. You fat asshole. You, but I wasn't even trying. Laser. Get off of me.
What do you need
No, get off of me. You're holding on to my tits. You fat. You're holding on to my tits. You fat. Off of me, you fat bitch. You don't get hit me in the face like that. I'm a woman still.
Can you get this for life?
Get off of me. Get off of me. I'm not even fighting you. Someone punched me in the f***ing face and nobody cared about me.
Sit up.
How can I sit up and pin me down? Pin me down by my elbows. Stop. Stop. You're pinning me down by my hands. Please stop. You're pinning me down by my hands. You're pinning me by my eyes. Shit is leaking. Just stop. It must be nice. You must be a really good bully, a girl that has no f***ing way to fight.
You gotta get the left.
The weight?
Left should be over there.
You guys think it's really funny to beat up a girl after she said she got her. Nobody even conducted him. Nobody even asked me about him. Nobody asked me his name or his number. It's just me. It's just me. I'm not crazy. He beat the shit out of me. He violated my house. And you guys let him do it like this. All of you.
She was charged with assault on police officer, criminal damaging and harassment by inmate.